Dito na lang po sa Section 1, benefits granted. The City Government of Pasay hereby grants a full scholarship program in all public, elementary, and high schools in Pasay City and at the pamantasan ng lungsod ng Pasay to designated beneficiaries of barangay officials, barangay tanods, and upon members who during their incumbency and while in the performance of their duties and functions causes untimely death or injury leading to permanent disability. Section 2, number of beneficiaries. The barangay officials entitled to avail of this scholarship grant can designate up to maximum of 3 beneficiaries. 3 po ang benepisaryo ninyo. Either legitimate or illegitimate descendants in according with the provisions of the new civil code to be indicated in an information sheet to be secured and filed within the office of the Barangay Action Center at the City Hall of Pasay City, the office of the City